In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize DNS with Cloudflare 1.1.1. Whether you're a beginner who's just starting out with website management or a seasoned developer looking to enhance performance and security, optimizing your DNS with Cloudflare is a smart move. DNS is the backbone of your website's connectivity, and Cloudflare's 1.1.1 service takes that to the next level, offering faster, safer browsing for you and your visitors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and fine-tune your DNS settings for maximum efficiency. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to -platlabier.com and sign in to your Cloudflare account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, you should see your Cloudflare dashboard. From here, locate and select the domain you want to optimize. This step is important because every domain you manage in Cloudflare is handled separately, so make sure you're working on the correct one. Now, look over to the left-hand menu and click on the section labeled DNS. This is where you'll manage all your DNS records. Once you're in the DNS section, check your primary A or C name records. These are the records that point your domain to your website server. Make sure the orange cloud icon next to these records is turned on. This tells Cloudflare to proxy the traffic through its network, which not only improves performance but also adds an extra layer of security to your site. While you're in the DNS section, it's important to leave any mail-related records, such as MX records or other necessary records, as DNS only. These records need to bypass Cloudflare's proxy to ensure they work properly. If you're unsure which records to leave as DNS only, double-check with your email provider or hosting service. Next, set the TTL or time to live for each of your DNS records to auto. TTL determines how long a DNS record is cached before it's updated. By setting it to auto, you're allowing Cloudflare to handle this for you, optimizing caching and propagation intervals to ensure your DNS records are as up-to-date as possible. With your DNS records configured, it's time to enable DNSSEC. This step is crucial for improving the security of your domain by preventing DNS spoofing attacks. To enable DNSSEC, look for the DNSSEC section in your dashboard and toggle it on. Once you've done this, you'll need to wait for DNSSEC to propagate. This process can take some time, so be patient. You can verify its status in your Cloudflare dashboard once it's active. Now that Cloudflare is fully set up on your domain, let's configure your devices or your router to use Cloudflare's DNS servers. On your devices or router, set the primary DNS server to 1.1.1 and the secondary DNS server to 1.0.1. These are Cloudflare's DNS servers, and they're designed to be lightning fast and highly secure. Setting this up at the router level will apply these DNS settings to every device on your network, but you can also configure individual devices if you prefer. For an even easier setup, you can download and use the 1.1.1 app, which is available for both iOS and Android. This app automatically configures your DNS settings on individual devices, providing an extra layer of convenience. It's a great option if you're managing multiple devices or want to ensure seamless connectivity when you're on the go. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully optimized your DNS with Cloudflare and 1.1.11. Your website should now benefit from faster, more secure DNS resolution, and your visitors will enjoy an overall better browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.